Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to give some result, right? See here, number of terms in the expansion of x plus a, the whole power n is n plus 1. You may ask, Miss, whether it is true? Yes, of course it is true. I am going to prove you, right? You have to listen. X plus a, the whole power 1. Here, what is your n? What is your n? N is 1, right? The expansion, it has how many terms you see? X, 1 term, plus a, that is n plus 1. Here 1 plus 1, 2 terms are there. Next, x plus a, the whole power 2. What is the formula? You know, a plus b the whole square identity, x square plus 2ax plus a square. See, number of terms in the expansion, x plus a, the whole power n is n plus 1. Here power is 2, that is n is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Whether did you get 3 terms here? 1, 2, 3. Whether it is interesting, children? Yeah. Now, x plus a, the whole power 3. That means how many terms? Yeah, very good. 4 terms, right? Whether it is true or not, we will check. X power 3 plus 3x square a plus 3x a square plus a cube. See, the power of the first term is decreased. The power of the second term is increased. See here, n is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Whether did we arrive the 4 terms or not? Yeah. Whether it is interesting or not, children? Yeah. Now I am going to teach you the new thing as how to find the terms in the expansion, that result, 5th term or 4th term. If I ask x plus a, the whole power 3 means immediately you can write the formula. If I ask what is the second term, you cannot say. For that, I am going to give a formula, right? Now you have to listen. The formula is TR plus 1 equal to general term of the expansion. General term of an expansion, that is TR plus 1, expansion of x plus a, the whole power n is TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r into a power r, right? General term. Suppose if I ask 6th term, 7th term means use this formula and you will get the result. Got it? Now, here 2 things I am going to discuss. If n is even, the power, right? Then the number of term is what? Number of terms. N plus 1 is odd. Will you agree this, children? Whenever the statement is given, you have to raise the question. I said n is even, the number of terms n plus 1 is odd, I said. For that, I am going to show you the same example, x plus a the whole square, right? Here n is even. Number of terms, how many you arrive? 3. Whether it is odd or even? Odd, right? X plus a, your n is even. the number of terms are odd. The second one, if n is odd, number of terms, how many you arrive? 4. That means number of term is even. Got it? Now you understood, children? Each and everything there is a proof. Right? Number of terms n plus 1 is odd, then there is only one middle term. There is only one middle term. How to find the middle term? Middle term is t n by 2 plus 1. T n by 2 plus 1. Next, if n is odd, for that I gave an example, x plus a the whole power 3. The number of terms is what? Yeah, what it is? Even, right? Then the number of terms n plus 1 is even. That means there are how many middle terms? There are 2 middle terms. There are 2 middle terms, that is t n plus 1 by 2, t n plus 1 by 2 and t n plus 3 by 2. Got it, children? T n plus 1 by 2 and t n plus 3 by 2. If n is odd, then the number of term n plus 1 is even. That means how many middle terms are there? 2 middle terms are there. How to find the 2 middle terms? T n plus 1 by 2 and t n plus 3 by 2. Got it? Now I'm going to move to the exercise. That is exercise 2.6, question number 3. Exercise 2.6, question number 3. Find the fifth term. Find the fifth term of the expansion. Expansion of x minus 2y the whole power 13. Here what is your n? N is odd. What is your n? N is odd. The number of term n plus 1 is even. Right? N equal to 13. N equal to 13. The formula, the middle, for finding the middle term, general term, how to find the fifth term, right? Fifth term of the expansion. Sorry, children. Fifth term of the expansion of, right? N equal to 13. Then, what is your x? X is x. What is your a? A equal to minus 2y. You have to relate with the formula. Already I have told you, right? 1 minute. Here alone. In the expansion, right? In the expansion. Now, the general, I gave you the formula, general term of the expansion, right? yes or no? General term is T or plus 1 equal to NC or X power n or into A power R. Here they are asking fifth term. That means what is your R? What is your R? Fifth term. To find fifth term means what is your R? R equal to 4, right? 4 plus 1 equal to 5. What is your R? R equal to 4. Fifth term means R equal to 4. Sixth term R equal to 5, right? See, to find fifth term, put R equal to 4. So, T 4 plus 1, that is your T5, right? T 4 plus 1 equal to, what is your N? 13. C 4. What is your X? X only. X 13 minus 4 minus 2y the whole power 4. Got it, children? Now, how to evaluate 13C4? I told you, based on R, you should write the number in the reverse order. You should write the number in the numerator, you should write the number in the reverse order. In the numerator, you should write the numbers in the reverse order, that too reduced by 1 only. 13, 12, 11, 10. In the numerator, you should write the number in the reverse order reduced by 1. That concept alone you keep it in your mind, right? Divided by 4. You have to start to write the reverse order. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, x power 9 minus 2 the whole power 4 into y power 4. Law of exponent. AB the whole power m can be written as a power m into b power m. Right. What are the things you learnt? Everything you have to relate and study. Then only it is easy. Right. Now you see 4, 3 are 12 cancel into 5. Got it? Now 13 into 11 into 5. Here you see 2 to the power 4, that is 16. Power is even, so it becomes positive. Into 16, x power 9 into y power 4. Got it? You see 13 into 11. 13 into 11, how much? 143, right? 3, 1, sorry, 3, 1, 3, 1, 143. 143 into 80, right? 143 into 80, that is 5 into 16. 8 3s are 24, 2, 32, 34, 3, 8, 11, 1, 0. So what is your result here? 11,440 x power 9 y power 4. Middle term, right? The fifth term of the expansion is 11,440 x power 9 into y power 4. Got it, children? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.